Using our door rod with a decorative textile brings style, whereas with a technical curtain it adds functional benefits by improving the thermal and acoustic insulation of your home. Whether it's for a standard door or a recessed one with adapter sold separately, for a curtain with eyelets or gathering tape, our door rod will perfectly meet your needs. Adjustable, our rod fits all door width up to 110 centimeters. The kit includes all necessary components for installation. Ensure you have the required tools ready before starting the installation. How to install our door rod. To install the bracket, measure 3 centimeters from the hinge axis and apply it above the frame. Drill using a 6 mm diameter bit. Insert the anchor, K. Screw the bracket, A, firmly with screw, K, keeping it straight. Thoroughly clean and remove grease marks from front and top of the door. Measure and mark a 0.63 centimeters from the door hinge. To attach the bracket, B, to the marked point axis, remove the protective film and press it firmly onto the front and top of the door. Let it rest for at least 12 hours before installing the rod. Temporarily adjust the height of bracket, B, to match the height of bracket, A. Place the end of the rod on bracket, B. Using a screwdriver, firmly screw element, C, with screw, D, under bracket, A. Installing an eyelet curtain. Remove the sliders and the stopper, G, then insert the cap. Unscrew the plastic nut from the slider, F. Slide the curtain onto the rod. Move the slider, F, between the third and fourth eyelet. Insert it into bracket, B, then screw on the nut. Adjust the rod's tilt by raising or lowering the rod in bracket, B, using the Allen key. Clip the stopper, G, near the end cap. Then, lock the first eyelet. Finally, pass the last eyelet through the stopper, C. Installing a curtain with gathering tape. Unscrew the plastic nut from slider, F. Then, insert it into bracket, B. Adjust the rod's tilt by raising or lowering the rod in bracket, B, using the Allen key. Hang the curtain on the sliders using hooks, which are not provided. Installing a rod for a recessed door. If your door is recessed, add the adapter, which is sold separately. Remove the rod from bracket, B. Measure the recess and add 2 centimeters. Cut the adapter rod to the length of the recess, adding 2 centimeters, and place it in bracket, B. Tighten with the Allen key. Using the small square metal piece, connect the 2 rods together. Adjust the rod so that it is parallel to the wall when the door is closed. Tighten the 2 screws firmly. Follow the previous instructions for installing the curtain. Thank you and good installation.